If you missed the live, man, you missed a lot. It's Yolanda at DryerBuzz. And as you can see, I am buzzing around in the soap room. Right here, I am prepping some oils to get ready for the soap that we will make during the week. And we're already halfway through. See how much I'm making? I think we ended up with about 6 buckets, and that makes, actually, each of those buckets will make a double batch, 2 batches rather, and that's 18 bars times 2. Okay, so we already knocked out some oatmeal, we did our turmeric, we did our raspberry turmeric, Madam VP, and also we did a white tea and pear, and that was half of it. So I still got, we're here at the end of the week, and I still got 6 more to make, which I'm going to knock out Friday before a little bit of a road trip. So, but this has to happen each week. I pick a day that I'm going to do all of my prep, and then I will try and get through the week. Now, of course, you know, we got 1 or 2 days that we're also at the market, and then there are the days in between that the soap has to rest. But listen, never miss a live again. Make sure you catch us.